As you go along in your journey with Microsoft Teams, a lot of your chats are going to stack up in the chat area, and you'll notice that you'll be added to more and more group chats with small groups of folks that just want to have a group conversation that's ongoing and persistent, but don't want all of the extra stuff that comes with a full Microsoft team. So by default, these group chats are named by just the name of everyone who is in the group. So you'll just see a name plus a number of more people in that group. But it's a little bit more relevant to you if you can rename these chats so that you can see what the subject is about. So if we look here at my Microsoft Teams client, you'll see that I've got a chat right here that says Joe Bossler plus 2 more people, and you see that Spencer Vincent has posted a GIF. Let's say that I want to keep this chat with these folks and it's on a particular topic, so I'll just go ahead and rename that chat that topic name. So to do that, at the very top you'll notice this pencil icon next to the list of names. That means that I can name this group chat, and only group chats can be renamed into some kind of name that's easily recognizable. So if I click that pencil icon, I can now name this something like Microsoft Teams Love Fest, and we can save that, and I will rename the group conversation for everybody. So you'll notice at the bottom that I have changed the group name to Microsoft Teams Love Fest, and that will change it across all of their Teams clients so it matches everywhere across the board. And anybody who's a member of this chat can actually click that pencil icon at the top and rename the chat to whatever they would like.